Grayscale submits Polkadot and Cardano ETF registration forms to SEC. Cardano, Grayscale ETF, Polkadot ETF. Grayscale submits Polkadot and Cardano ETF registration forms to SEC as altcoin ETF race heats up with 92 pending applications and surging approval odds. Crypto journalist, Hassan. Crypto journalist, Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. August 30, 2025. Grayscale Investments filed comprehensive S-1 registration forms with the SEC for spot Polkadot and Cardano exchange-traded funds, ETF. The Grayscale Cardano Trust ETF, GADA, and Grayscale Polkadot Trust ETF join a crowded field of 92 pending crypto ETF applications currently awaiting regulatory review. Both trusts were incorporated as Delaware Statutory Trusts on August 12, 2025, following Grayscale's established pattern of Delaware registrations preceding SEC submissions. Altcoin ETF race heats up as approval odds surge. The Cardano ETF would trade on NYSE Arca under ticker GADA, while specific exchange details for the Polkadot fund remain pending final approval. The filings arrive as prediction markets surge with optimism for the approval of altcoin ETFs. Solana maintains a 99% approval odds on Polymarket for 2025, up from 72% in May, while XRP holds an 87% probability, up from 64% in August. Even speculative memecoin Dogecoin commands 82% approval odds, nearly doubling from 44% in June. Grayscale's aggressive expansion strategy includes converting 5 existing trusts into ETF structures, covering Litecoin, Solana, Dogecoin, XRP, and Avalanche. The firm simultaneously filed for Dogecoin ETF approval with ticker GDOG, entering competition with Rex Osprey and Bitwise for similar products. Current crypto ETF applications encompass 8 Solana proposals and 7 XRP submissions, driven by renewed filing activity following the SEC's feedback. Grayscale funds structured to anticipate regulatory uncertainties. Both Grayscale ETF proposals acknowledge significant regulatory risks, particularly the SEC's previous determination that ADA constitutes a security. The Cardano filing warns that a final SEC security classification could trigger material adverse impacts on token value and potentially force the termination of the trust. The trusts operate through cash-only creation and redemption mechanisms, processing shares in 10,000-unit baskets through authorized participants and liquidity providers. In-kind transactions involving direct token deposits remain unavailable pending in-kind regulatory approval that may never materialize. Notably, valuation relies on CoinDesk price indices, which are calculated daily at 4 p.m. New York time. Both funds maintain staking capabilities contingent on undefined staking conditions that currently remain unmet. The Polkadot Trust anticipates staking up to 85% of holdings through provider-facilitated arrangements, while maintaining 28-day unbonding periods that introduce liquidity constraints. Additionally, Coinbase Custody Trust Company serves as custodian for both trusts. The Bank of New York Mellon also handles transfer agent and administration duties, while Coinbase Incorporated provides prime brokerage services. Fee structures center on daily accruing sponsor fees paid in underlying tokens rather than cash. Institutional demand drives altcoin ETF pipeline expansion. The 92 pending crypto ETF applications represent a 28% increase from 72 submissions recorded in April. October deadlines loom for the majority of applications, particularly those for Solana, XRP, and Litecoin proposals, which could trigger significant market activity. Bloomberg intelligence analysts project continued growth in filings, with Eric Balchunas suggesting that pretty soon there will be more crypto ETF filings than stocks. Recent regulatory developments have favored broader approvals for crypto ETFs. The SEC's approval of in-kind redemption mechanisms for Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs has widened compliance pathways. At the same time, the Project Crypto collaboration between the SEC and CFTC aims to clarify digital asset classifications under U.S. law. 21 shares and Grayscale lead Ethereum staking ETF applications following regulatory clarity on liquid staking operations. Notably, VanEck's GADA SOL proposal also represents the first entirely liquid staking token-backed fund, tracking tokens representing staked SOL on the Solana network. A wave of XRP ETF amendments filed last week likely responded to SEC feedback, adjusting fund structures to accommodate both token and cash creations, as well as cash and in-kind redemptions. Nate Geraci of the ETF store called the synchronized filings highly notable and a very good sign for approval prospects. BlackRock, despite launching pioneering Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, confirmed no current plans for XRP products. Looking forward, as alts continue their bullish trajectory, Noon CEO, Ray Youssef, predicts that major cryptocurrencies, including SOL, XRP, and BNB, will attract huge capital investments. For SOL specifically, Youssef, speaking with Cryptonews, noted that Solana treasury companies are lining up funds running into tens of billions to accumulate SOL. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Cardano and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Avalanche and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Why is crypto down today? August 29, 2025. BlackRock offloads millions in BTC after weekly buys, market manipulation, or routine rebalance. Trump to launch $40 billion WLFI token September 1st. Ethereum news. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest buys $15.6 million BMNR bet on Tom Lee's ETH treasury. 3 days ago, by Hassan. Altcoin news. Raoul Pal sees XRP poised for strong uptrend as full porting begins. 2 days ago, by Shalini Nagarajan. Features. Bitcoin bull run may no longer be sustainable, expert warns. 4 days ago, by Connor Sefton. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 4 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 2 days ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 15 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 2 days ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.